Recipe of the week, a classic chocolate chip cookie. So I'm going to start by whisking to combine my dry ingredients. I've got flour, baking soda, salt, a little bit of cinnamon, but that's optional. I've got room temperature butter going in, but you don't want your butter too warm and too cold. So make sure when you give it a press, it's pliable but still slightly firm to the touch. If it's too soft, you're going to end up incorporating too much air in this stage, and you're going to end up with a cakier cookie, which is not necessarily what you want. But I'm going to go ahead and add my egg. Just beat that until it's nice and combined. You want to really make sure everything is nicely emulsified. You could scrape down if you want with a rubber spatula. And then same idea when you add your dry ingredients. You don't want to overdo it. So you're going to see I'm going to stop the mixer, add my dry ingredients in, start on low speed so you don't make a big mess. And then as soon as that flour is absorbed by your egg and butter mixture, you're going to want to stop. You don't want to form too much gluten and make for a denser, heavier cookie than you want. I'm adding my chocolate chips. I'm saving a few for the end. You'll see the recipe calls for 3/4 of the cup mixed in, a quarter saved. Scoop your dough onto your baking sheet. You could chill these at this point if you want to, and I think that really improves the texture even more. But I went right into the oven. So top them with your leftover chocolate chips, and then 400-degree oven just until they're golden brown around the edge. Don't overbake them so they'll stay nice and gooey in the center. Right onto a cooling rack, a little extra salt if you like, and enjoy. Check out the blog for the recipe.